Hey everyone, Dr. Berg here. Are you feeling a little off? You're tired all the time, your hair is thinning, or maybe you have this weird tingling in your toes? Well, before you chalk it up to just stress or getting older, listen up. Today we're diving deep into 21 signs that your body might be screaming for specific nutrients. We'll cover what to look out for and, more importantly, what you can do to get your body back on track. Do you ever get that pins and needles feeling in your toes? That tingling could be a sign of peripheral neuropathy, and a common cause of that is a vitamin B1 deficiency. Now, B1 is crucial for nerve health, and without enough of it, your nerves can't send signals properly. The good news is, you can easily boost your B1 intake. Foods like pork, liver, eggs, and sunflower seeds are packed with this essential vitamin. Those painful cracks at the corners of your mouth? They're not just annoying, they could be a sign that you need more vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. B2 is essential for cell growth and function, and a deficiency can show up in this way. Don't worry though, getting more B2 is as simple as adding some key foods to your diet. Liver, red meat, and eggs are all excellent sources of riboflavin. Hair loss is a common concern, and while there can be many causes, one you might not expect is a biotin deficiency. Biotin, a B vitamin, is crucial for hair growth because it helps your body produce keratin, the protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. If you're not getting enough biotin, your hair can become brittle and thin. The good news is that you can find biotin in delicious foods like eggs, nuts, and seeds. Chapter 4. Premature gray hair? Don't make this mistake. Going gray is a natural part of aging, but if you're seeing those silver strands early on, it could be a sign that you're not getting enough folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is essential for DNA repair and cell division, and it also plays a role in melanin production, which gives your hair its color. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent sources of folate, as are lentils and asparagus. Chapter 5. Mouth ulcers? This could be why. Mouth ulcers are painful and annoying, and while they can be caused by a few things, one possibility is a vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 is crucial for cell growth and development, and a deficiency can lead to a condition called glossitis, which causes a swollen, smooth tongue and mouth ulcers. Boost your B12 intake by including more red meat, liver, and clams in your diet. Chapter 6. Deep bone pain? Don't ignore this. If you experience deep bone pain, especially in your pelvic area, it could be a sign of a vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is essential for strong bones. Without enough vitamin D, your bones can become weak and painful. Spending some time in the sun can help your body produce vitamin D naturally. You can also boost your intake through fatty fish like salmon and tuna or fortified foods. Chapter 7. Heavy periods? This nutrient is crucial. Heavy menstrual bleeding can be caused by several factors, including high estrogen levels or a vitamin K1 deficiency. Vitamin K1 is essential for blood clotting, and without enough of it, your periods can be heavier than usual. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are excellent sources of vitamin K1. Chapter 8. Menstrual cramps got you down? Try this. Menstrual cramps are a common problem, but they don't have to ruin your month. If you suffer from intense cramping, it could be a sign of a magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps relax muscles, including the muscles in your uterus. Increasing your magnesium intake can help ease those cramps. Pumpkin seeds, spinach, and avocados are all excellent sources of magnesium. Chapter 9. Fibroids? This vitamin could help. Fibroids are non-cancerous growths in the uterus, and while their exact cause is unknown, they're often linked to high estrogen levels. Vitamin D can actually help prevent the growth of fibroids by regulating estrogen. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin D from sunlight and foods like fatty fish. That annoying eye twitching you've been experiencing? It could be more than just stress. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function, and a deficiency can lead to muscle spasms, including those annoying eye twitches. Make sure you're getting enough magnesium in your diet by including foods like almonds, spinach, and avocado. If you feel like your heart is racing or pounding, it could be a sign of a potassium deficiency. Potassium is an electrolyte that's essential for regulating your heartbeat. Without enough potassium, your heart can start to beat irregularly. The daily requirement for potassium is 4,700 milligrams. Bananas, sweet potatoes, and avocados are all excellent sources of potassium. A persistent cough that just won't quit can be incredibly frustrating. While there are many possible causes, one you might not expect is a calcium deficiency. Calcium plays a role in muscle function, and a deficiency can lead to spasms in the muscles involved in coughing. Calcium lactate supplements can provide quick relief, but it's also important to include calcium-rich foods in your diet, such as dairy products, kale, and tofu. Chapter 13. Craving ice. This could be why. Constantly craving ice? This strange craving could be a sign of an iron deficiency. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body, and a deficiency can lead to a condition called pica, which causes unusual cravings, including a craving for ice. Red meat, liver, and plant-based sources like lentils are all good sources of iron. Chapter 14. Low libido? This nutrient is your friend. A low libido can be caused by a variety of factors, but one often overlooked culprit is a zinc deficiency. Zinc plays a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone, which is important for both men and women's libido. Oysters are known for being high in zinc, but you can also find it in red meat and pumpkin seeds. Chapter 15. Hearing loss. Don't ignore this deficiency. Hearing loss is often associated with aging, but did you know that a vitamin B12 deficiency could also play a role? B12 is essential for healthy nerve function, and a deficiency can damage the nerves in your ears, leading to hearing loss. Make sure you're getting enough B12 from foods like meat, fish, dairy, and fortified cereals. Fibrocystic breast changes are common and usually benign, but they can be uncomfortable. If you experience these changes, it could be a sign of low iodine levels. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production, and the thyroid gland plays a role in breast health. Seaweed, kelp, and shellfish are all excellent sources of iodine. Dry, flaky skin is a common problem, especially during the winter months. While there are many potential causes, one you might not expect is an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency. Omega-3s are essential fats that help keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Cod liver oil or fish oil are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Feeling weak and tired all the time? It could be a sign of a vitamin E deficiency. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, and it's also important for muscle function. Tocotrienols, a specific type of vitamin E, are particularly beneficial for muscle health. Nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are all good sources of tocotrienols. A fatty liver is a condition where fat builds up in your liver. It can lead to more serious liver problems if left untreated. One potential cause of fatty liver is a choline deficiency. Choline is an essential nutrient that helps your liver process fat. Egg yolk and liver are particularly rich in choline. Cold sores are caused by the herpes simplex virus, and while there's no cure, there are things you can do to manage outbreaks. Lysine, an essential amino acid, has been shown to help reduce the frequency and severity of cold sores. Meat, dairy, and beans are all good sources of lysine. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, but did you know that niacin, also known as vitamin B3, can help regulate cholesterol levels? Niacin can help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind. You can find niacin in foods like chicken, tuna, and fortified grains. So there you have it. 21 signs that your body might be trying to tell you something. Remember, our bodies are incredibly intelligent, and they often give us clues when something is off. By paying attention to these signs and making simple changes to your diet, you can give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Don't ignore what your body is telling you. Start listening and start feeling your best.